One-line if condition assignment. I have the following code. I need to set the value of num1 to 20 if some bool value is true, and do nothing otherwise. So, here is my code for that. Is there some way I could avoid the ... else num1 part to make it look cleaner? An equivalent to. I tried replacing it with ... else pass like this. Num1 equals 20 if some bool value else pass. All I got was syntax error. Nor I could just omit the ... else num1 part.
I don't think this is possible in Python, since what you're actually trying to do probably gets expanded to something like this. If you exclude else num1, you'll receive a syntax error since I'm quite sure that the assignment must actually return something. As others have already mentioned, you could do this, but it's bad because you'll probably just end up confusing yourself when reading that piece of code the next time. I'm not a big fan of the num1 equals some bool value and 20 or num1 for the exact same reason. I have to actually think twice on what that line is doing. The best way to actually achieve what you want to do is the original version. The reason that's the best horizon is because it's very obvious what you want to do, and you won't confuse yourself, or whoever else is going to come in contact with that code later. Also, as a side note, num1 equals 20 if some bool value is valid Ruby code, because Ruby works a bit differently.
Use this. For the future time traveler from Google, here is a new way, available from Python 3.8 onward. This is known as the walrus operator. More info at the What's New in Python 3.8 page.
In one line. But don't do that. This style is normally not expected. People prefer the longer form for clarity and consistency. Equally, camel caps should be avoided. So rather use some _bool_ value. Note that an inline expression some _value if predicate without an else part does not exist because there would not be a return value if the predicate were false. However, expressions must have a clearly defined return value in all cases. This is different from usage as in, say, Ruby or Perl.
Ele o VAT, você agora, clássico com subscribindo.